Welcome to Chillhub, a cloud-based, all-in-one ERP system built for micro, small, and medium enterprises. It helps you manage everything from sales and inventory to finance and operations, all in one place, anytime, anywhere. First, open your web browser and go to app.chillhub.com.my. Then, click on Register an account to sign up and get started with Chillhub. Enter your username, email address, and password. Enter company details including company name, company registration number, tax identification number, address, and contact number. Select your MSIC code required for e-invoice. Type any keywords to search. Then, choose your default industry, or select others if it's not listed. Next, enter the account owner personal details. Finally, click Send Verification Email, check your inbox or spam folder for the code, enter it on the registration page, then click Sign Up to complete your registration. Chillhub can be installed on any device for a seamless, app-like experience. Open a browser like Safari or Chrome on your mobile device and navigate to Chillhub. Select Add to Home Screen or Install App from the options. Tap on the icon to open the app directly from your home screen. You can also install Chillhub on your PC. Just open your preferred browser, such as Chrome or Edge, and visit Chillhub. Click the Install button or the Install icon in the address bar to install Chillhub. You can then pin it to your desktop or taskbar for quick access anytime. To configure essential features that suit your business needs, log into Chillhub and open the Settings dialog. Expand the General panel, and under My Invoice environment, select Disable to turn off e-invoice, testing to send e-invoices to the My Invoice sandbox for testing, or production to submit real e-invoices to the live My Invoice portal. Make sure to follow the video tutorial for My Invoice portal setup before starting e-invoice submission. Then, update the SST tax rate if SST is applicable to your business. Next, you can upload your company logo and customize the document header for all system-generated documents. Choose the layout, alignment, and text position relative to the logo for optimal presentation. Expand Invoice panel. In the invoice number format settings, you can set a prefix, define the sequence length, add a date format, like YYMM, to include the date in the numbering, and choose to reset the sequence when the date changes. You can also manually update the last sequence for continuity and view a preview of the final document number format. If needed, use the text editor to set a default subject for your documents and add a footer with content like payment instructions, disclaimers, or a stamp/signature line. Repeat the numbering and template configuration for all other document types, such as quotation, delivery note, purchase order, and more. Configure teams to assign them to scheduled jobs like service tasks or deliveries, if applicable. Set up warehouses to track stock levels across multiple locations. Configure employees to assign accountability for transactions like invoices, quotations, and purchase orders. Click Save button to complete settings. Configure your master data to establish the foundation of your business processes. Set up your industry to define the sector your business operates in. Add products to track tangible items you sell, purchase, or stock, fully integrated with inventory tracking and costing features. Use product types to classify and group products. Create services for non-physical offerings like repairs or consultations. Set up tasks to represent scheduled work assigned to your teams. To set up a new industry, click New. Enter the industry name and then click Save. Click Set as Default to set it as your business's main industry. You can also create master data whenever needed. For example, when inserting an invoice item, add a new product using the plus icon. Enter the unique product name and product description, then select the relevant industry and product type. Specify the brand, set the default UOM, and select a classification code required for e-invoice submission. If you want to set up inventory to track stock levels and item cost, go to the inventory page, click New, select the industry, then choose a product. Enter the quantity on hand for each warehouse, and in the Accounting tab, specify the unit cost price for accurate cost tracking. Add a remark and click Save. Repeat this process for all existing products in your inventory. You can configure the selling price for each product or service. Go to the pricing page, click New, select a product or service, name the pricing tier, and define up to 3 different price levels and click the Save button. Alternatively, click the Download button to get an Excel template, fill in the pricing details, and upload it to perform a batch update. Before using accounting features in Chillhub, make sure your chart of accounts is properly configured to suit your business needs. Go to the Chart of Accounts page to review the system-provided accounts. You can add or update any accounts to better fit your business requirements. Specify the account name, code, root type, parent account, and description. Check Is Group if it's a parent account. For assets or liabilities, choose current or non-current. Enable cash account for asset accounts used in payments such as bank and cash. For inventory asset accounts, check Inventory account and select the corresponding cost of goods sold and inventory adjustment accounts. For an expense account, indicate if it's a cost of goods sold and whether it's a non-cash expense like depreciation. Click Save to apply your changes. Next, define account rules to set default accounts for specific transaction types and industries. You can update them with your newly created accounts. If you manage multiple industries, you can create a new account rule to assign a different set of default accounts for any specific industry. Finally, click Configure Financial Period, then click New to define a financial period by entering its name, start and end dates, and setting opening balances for relevant accounts. You can create and manage multiple sub-user logins under a single account to delegate tasks and control access. Before configuring SubUsers, make sure you've purchased the SubUser login add-on in the subscription dialog. A fee applies for every set of 10 additional SubUsers. First, create SubUser roles and assign permissions for each system module, such as transactions, dashboards, and master data, using levels like No Access, Select Only, Read Only, or Full Access to control what users can view, use, or manage. After that, go to the SubUser tab to create a new SubUser. Set a username, temporary password, link the associated employee, and assign a role to control their permissions. You're now all set to begin using Chillhub.